Hello friends, in this video we're going to talk about how to install and run uniscan in Windows. So let's get started. Welcome back. So as you know, this video is about how to install and run uniscan and fix all the errors. The first thing you're going to do is download the Perl. To do it, just go to this website uniscan.pl. Once you go there, click on the search bar on the right and search for the Perl. Click enter, and this is the Perl. Just click on it. Once the page is open, you need to download, but you have to make sure which version you download. So go to your computer system and check what's your Windows version. Mine is 64-bit, so I must download the 64-bit version. Just click on the download and your download will be started. Once you have downloaded this, we are going to go to the second step, and the second step is to download the uniscan. To do that, just go back to the uniscan.com and search for uniscan. Click enter, and this is the uniscan. Just click on it. Once it's open, you have to download it. Just click the download button. Once you have downloaded both, the second step is to install the Perl itself. Just click on the Perl and click install. Click next. Select your directory where you want to install it. I just install it on C and call it Perl. Click next and click install. It will take a few minutes to complete. So after a few minutes it's done, just click finish and then extract the uniscan. I just extract it here, and then all you have to do is to copy this folder. So just copy that and go to the directory where you install the Perl. I installed it here, and just paste your uniscan, and I wanted to rename it uniscan, just uniscan. And the next step is to run the command prompt and CD to go back, and again CD, and now we have to go to the folder where we install the Perl. So mine is C/Perl. I type CD space Perl, and I'm in the Perl directory. Now I'm going to go to the uniscan folder, just CD and uniscan, and now I'm going to dir and to C. And here you can see uniscan.pl is here. So to run it, use this command. This command will scan a website. Just paste it and press enter. Oh, as you can see, we get this error. So to fix this error, it's very easy. All you need to do is go to the uniscan folder and edit the uniscan.pl, and once you are there, just CTRL+F to find and find for auto update. Just find it. Here you can see. Just click change 1 to 0 and save your file and close. This is again. Here you can see this is still the error. We have to fix this error. If you still is not working, just go to the uniscan.pl and replace this line with this two line. So just copy this I will share this in the description. And click your uniscan.pl, edit it, and come here. You can see use lab uniscan. Just replace it with those comments and save your file. Once you have saved, close, and let's test it again. I run the uniscan.pl, and here you go, it's working. So let me scan this website for the test. Just run it. Here you see it started scanning, and Uniscan is going to scan the website. It takes time to be finished, but as you can see, it is working really good and great. Yep, as you can see, it's working really good. That's great news. And do not forget to subscribe if you like this video. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, share, and like it. Thanks for watching.